everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s and the tail light colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the 350 V2 Yeezy Boost and the tail light colorway. As you all know, this was one of my wins that I received on Yeezy Day. So this was actually one of my most exciting wins of the day. And so I'm so excited to go through the overview and talk about this beautiful colorway. Then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by styling. I had so much fun styling this just because of the pops of color on the back portion of the silhouette. Then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into the overview on this shoe. So for those of you who don't know, when these released, it was a Europe exclusive. So unfortunately, I was unable to get this because I didn't have a Europe address, obviously. I did cop the US version that was released, which was the Earth colorway, more of a brown, earthy tone in comparison to this one. The last colorway that was released was the Flax colorway, which is an Asia exclusive. So out of the three, I actually loved the tail light the best, just because this color scheme was based off of the Porsche, which gives you this kind of tail light feel for the shoe and the way that they designed the coloring scheme. So let's go through it. Let's start with the front portion of the shoe on the prime knit. We've got just a nice, simple kind of grayish silver hue. And it's just quite nice how metallic-y that silver threading is on the front of that toe box. As we work our way up into the laces, you'll notice that these are just nice silver laces that really have a nice sheen to them in the light. Again, just a nice kind of touch of gray on the top of that tongue there. As we work our way to the side panels, you'll see that we've just got more of that gray prime knit wrapping around. Then on the stripe, we've got a translucent stripe from the front. And then my favorite part of the shoe is this pull tab and the back of the stripe, which is in this kind of blood orange color scheme. It's just such a nice pop of color that really jumps off of the gray. On the insole, we've got gray as well as the Adidas Yeezy branding in that blood orange color scheme. And then for the bottom of the midsole, we've got just a translucent midsole. You can see that there's actually some kind of dark charcoal gray popping through there. Working our way to the bottom, we've then got, again, some more translucent coloring schemes going on with that boost showing through the bottom of the shoe. So let's take a look at all of those details up close and personal. So moving into size and fit on the shoe. So I always go half a size up in the 350 silhouette just because I do feel like my feet get pushed up into that toe box. Priming it does take a little bit of time as well to kind of break that in. So I would recommend going half a size up. So typically I'm a 7.5. I went with a size 8 on this one and it does fit perfectly, specifically since I do like to have a little extra space in my shoes. I don't like my feet feeling congested and crunched at the toe box region. So definitely loving the fact that I went half a size up on this. All right, so now let's talk about styling. This is so much fun just because gray obviously is a great color to work with. It's easy as well to add in my wardrobe since I do like wearing gray tones. But for the first look, I kind of wanted to just keep it very summery. So I decided to wear a bodycon dress in this very neon green color scheme, just because I think the bright pops of this blood orange on the back really just played quite nicely. And it also kind of looks a little reddish in hue. So I wanted to bring out a red kind of bloodish orange color scheme in my bucket hat, which was a Stussy bucket hat, and I think it just played off the accents of this shoe quite nicely.
I just bought a new wig. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna.
For the second look, I decided to just kind of keep it all gray, just to play with all the grays in this to make it more monochromatic. So I wore some Adidas gray sweatpants paired with a gray hoodie, and I think that it really just kind of set the tone for the back of this shoe to really just pop off quite nicely.
We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear.
So for the last and final look, I decided to wear some Levi's jeans in just a light color scheme. I think light denim goes great with the light grays on this. And then I wore a Marimekko Adidas collab t-shirt that was cropped. Also, in the color scheme of that shirt, it had lots of the similar hues in this blood orange on that tee, so I thought that that would pair quite nicely.
Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
So you let me know, out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite out of the 3, or how would you decide to style these shoes?
Not every light is gonna guide you.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I hit the molly ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice, cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color of the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness.
I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just trying.
All right, now let's conclude with how the resale is for these shoes. So if you were unable to cop these on Yeezy Day, I would say that the price has definitely dropped quite dramatically since people have received their shoes. These retailed for $220 and they are currently going between $320 and $395, which is not too crazy compared to what it was, but I do see this probably going up just because I do think this is a very, very popular colorway. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up as well. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that merch store as well as our join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.